Flip a fair coin, heads or tails, each just as likely. Roll a fair die. All 6 faces share the same chance. We call these equally likely outcomes. But load the die, and the outcomes aren't equally likely. Then, we can't simply divide the counts. Here's the payoff. When every outcome is equally likely, the probability of an event E, the outcomes you want, is the number in E, over the number in the whole sample space U. Because each outcome carries the same chance, you find the probability by dividing those counts. Try it. A fair die. What's the probability of rolling an even number? The sample space U is 1 to 6. 6 equally likely outcomes. Even gives us 2, 4, 6, 3 favorable outcomes. So P of E is 3 over 6, 3 favorable over 6 equally likely outcomes, which simplifies to 1 over 2, a 50% chance of rolling even. Let's remember, when outcomes are equally likely, you just count. P of E is the outcomes in E over the outcomes in U. Fair die, even number, 1 over 2. You've got it.